Hey guys, Meagan Cunningham here at 203 Elaine. We're out here in this beautiful neighborhood with all this room. You can have over Little League for baseball practice if you wanted to. You could do some cheerleading stunts, flips, whatever your little heart desires. Nice little fire pit. Inside we have 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath with brand new flooring and paint inside, new roof as of 2018. I would love to show you this home so you can make it yours. Call me at 361-648-2253 whenever you're ready for your private showing.